So great news in my opinion, the UK has cut interest rates to 4%. It was actually a very tight vote. Yeah, the Bank of England committee voted 5-4. And believe it or not, that was the second vote. The first one ended in a draw. That's because it was 4-4 and one member wanted a 0.5% rate cut. So why is it good news? Well, first of all, it's all to do with growth. So the UK has had quite poor growth over the last few years. I mean, 2025, we're expected to get 2% growth. But yeah, it starts to drop off again down to about 1.5%. So yeah, it's not great. But by cutting interest rates, you actually stimulate growth. That's because of the cost of borrowing falls, which encourages businesses to borrow money, and then therefore they invest it. And then as a result, that's beneficial for the economy, and we tend to see more growth. Also, with interest rates falling, this means savings rates are falling. I know what you're thinking, how is this good? That's because you're obviously thinking personally, and you might be wanting to save some money. But actually in an economy, this encourages more people to spend money. Some people will be against cutting interest rates at the moment, and that's because they're worried a little bit about inflation. But if you actually look at the forecasts, yes, it's at 3.6%, and it's supposed to peak in Q3 of this year, but then it is supposed to gradually fall into next year. But the Bank of England are trying to be forward thinking and trying to stimulate growth because they're not as concerned about inflation being sticky. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Do you think this interest rate cut is a good idea? And before you go, don't forget to like and follow for more finance and investing content.